Welcome. Today we are looking at KCSE CRE paper 1 2016. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Question 1a. Name 8 historical books in the Old Testament. B. Outline the reasons why the Bible is referred to as a library. C. Give 5 occasions when Christians use the Bible. Question 2a. Narrate Abraham's attempt to sacrifice his son, as found in Genesis chapter 22 from verse 1 to 19. B. What are the differences between Jewish and traditional African practices of circumcision? C. Give 6 ways through which Christians portray themselves in the society today. Question 3a. Explain 6 ways used by King David to promote the worship of Yahweh in Israel. B. Discuss 4 life skills used by Prophet Elijah to fight against false religion in Israel. Question 4a. Describe 3 groups of true prophets in the Old Testament. B. Give 6 similarities between the traditional African prophets and the true prophets in the Old Testament. C. Identify 8 problems experienced by church leaders in their work. Question 5a. Describe the meaning of the symbolic act of buying land by Prophet Jeremiah. 5b. Explain the challenges faced by the prophetic. 5b. Explain the challenges faced by the prophet Jeremiah during his ministry. C. Give 5 ways through which Christians settle disagreements among themselves. Question 6a. Explain the significance of rituals conducted during the naming ceremonies in traditional African communities. B. Which moral values were required during marriage in traditional African communities? 6c. Give reasons why traditional African communities feared death. Answers. 1a. Name 8 historical books in the Old Testament. Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 and 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther. 1b. Outline the reasons why the Bible is referred to as a library. It contains many books. The books were written by different authors. It has different categories of books. The books are written in different styles. The books in the Bible are written at different times. The books in the Bible address different issues. The books were written for different audiences. The books are systematically arranged. 1c. Give 5 occasions when Christians use the Bible. When preaching the Word of God, when in court, when instructing new converts, during different Christian ceremonies, when teaching Christian religious education, when composing gospel songs, during fellowships, during a swearing-in ceremony. Question 2a. Narrate Abraham's attempt to sacrifice his son Isaac, is found in Genesis chapter 22 from verse 1 to 19. God told Abraham to take his only son to the land of Moriah. Abraham took his son, 2 servants, and wood for burnt offering. They arrived at the place after a 3 days' journey. Abraham commanded his servants to remain behind as he and Isaac went up to worship. He took Isaac, the firewood and the knife and went up. Isaac asked his father where the lamb for the offering would come from. Abraham told Isaac that God would provide the lamb for a burnt offering. When they arrived at the place God had commanded, Abraham built an altar. He bound Isaac, laid him on the altar upon the wood. Abraham took the knife to slay his son, but the angel of the Lord stopped him. Abraham saw a ram, which he offered instead of his son. He called the name of the place, "The Lord will provide." The angel appeared to Abraham a second time and gave him promises because of his disobedience. Abraham returned with his men for Beersheba. Question 2a. What are the differences between the Jewish and the traditional African practices of circumcision? 1. In the Jewish community, circumcision is for male children only, whereas it is for both male and female in the African practices. Among the Jews, circumcision is performed on babies of 80 days old, whereas in traditional African communities, it is done during adolescence. It is a test of courage in the African communities, whereas in the Jewish community, it is a sign of the covenant with God. 4. Circumcision in African communities is a communal practice, whereas among the Jews, only members of the immediate family participate. 5. In traditional African communities, initiates take up responsibilities, while among the Jews, the initiates are too young to shoulder any responsibility. 6. In traditional African communities, circumcision is carried out during specific reasons, while among the Jews it is continuous. Question 3a. Explain 6 ways used by King David to promote the worship of Yahweh in Israel. He brought the Ark of the Covenant to Jerusalem. He made Jerusalem a holy city where Israelites from all over the land came for important religious occasions. He composed the Psalms, which were used in worship by the Israelites. He showed respect to the prophets of Yahweh. He wanted to build a temple for God. When he made mistakes, he asked for Yahweh's forgiveness. He sought for God's guidance in whatever he wanted to do. He entered into a covenant with God. He built altars. 3b. Discuss 4 life skills used by Prophet Elijah to fight against false religion in Israel. Assertiveness. He told Ahab that he was the cause of trouble in Israel. Creative thinking. He requested for a contest between the prophets of Baal and himself. 3. Decision making. He killed the prophets of Baal. Self-esteem. He was convinced that